Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Another walk it off chapter in the Trading Futures Live channel. So I'm here with George.
What's up, guys?
We're gonna comment about our day and our week to see what went good, what we can improve. Yes, we do.
Oh yeah?
Trading blog later. Amazon guy is interested in what we do. Like I was saying, we'll always take these walks so can comment and reflect or discharge, decompress all the stress that trading brings. So how was your week emotionally?
For me, FOMO. Little
Really?
loss of patience got to me a couple of days. I'm down 1 hour on the week.
1 hour is not bad.
It's not bad, but one of the days I ended up taking basically the same trade from the same zone.
I'm guilty of that too.
Yeah, and it finally ended up working out, but with more patience, I would have had better entries and wouldn't have taken the initial loss. That actually happened twice to me this week. So that's minus 2R that I could have avoided with a little bit more patience and I'd be up on the week probably 2 or 3R without those trades.
One thing that really helped me with FOMO, and I don't want to say is 100% cured, because trading is a discipline that it takes time, right? So not only takes time to learn technically, but psychologically it's a discipline that makes you make changes in your habits and personality, right? So society conditions us to have or to become more lean, to having immediate gratification. And one example is Amazon. You can order now and in 2 hours you have it at your door, right? So trading is right the opposite. We need to develop a patient personality, right? And also it takes time to learn how to trade, right? So there's always 3 things that I have commented in this channel about trading. That first thing is a trading edge, trading plan that you know it makes money, your psychology, and your risk management, right? But your psychology implies that you need to adapt, right, to market environment. And one of those adaptations for me was, I need to get rid of this immediate gratification. If I lose a trade, I don't have to jump right in again and try to remake the money, right? What do you think about that?
Yeah, the instant gratification and the unrealistic expectations that a lot of us have.
100%.
In trading. A lesson that I learned last year is that I don't really have any immediate goals in trading anymore. I don't have weekly goals or daily goals or really even monthly goals. My goal is a yearly goal. My goal is at the end of the year to be a consistently profitable trader. That's my only goal. And I learned this from another trader that I helped coach, and I would give her weekly goals, and she got to the point where she told me, listen, I don't want weekly goals anymore because come Thursday, or Friday morning, if I'm not close to that weekly goal, her mind was all screwed up, right? She was taking unnecessary risks because she was just trying to reach her goal for that week, not saying, hey, not every week needs to be a profitable week. So we changed her goal to a monetary goal, but it had no deadline. It was just a fixed $3,000 was her goal. And whether it took 1 week or 3 weeks or 4 weeks, it is what it is, right? And so that's something that's helped me adjust my expectations on a daily and weekly and monthly basis. It's especially helped me with the daily and the weekly goals that I really no longer have them. I mean, I'm down 1 R this week. Obviously, I don't want to be down 1 R.
Nobody wants to be down.
My average goal at the end of the year is to have a weekly R of 5. But not every week is going to be that week. And so I didn't wake up today going, holy shit, I'm down 1 R. I have to make frickin' 6 R today to make my week. That's absolutely unrealistic. It's going to make me take trades that I shouldn't be taking. It's going to make me...
That attitude is so dangerous.
Yeah. And
instead of doing -1, you could do -10.
Exactly. Yeah. And so...
That'll be very bad.
And so, but especially in the beginning when you're first starting out in trading, I mean, I don't know anybody who hasn't felt that way.
We're all
who hasn't woken up on a Friday morning and said, oh, I need to make
X.
X, because I haven't made anything all week. And so those unrealistic expectations always get everybody.
100%.
And so that's another lesson that I learned. That's what Franco and I were talking about earlier when we got off of the live session, was right the delaying gratification and having realistic expectations. My expectations today are that I take good trades. That's it. Whether the outcome is positive or negative monetarily, my goal was met if I took good trades patiently, following my plan and not breaking any rules. And if I do that often enough and consistent enough, at the end of the year, my overall goals should be met.
Here's the caveat of the realistic expectations and immediate gratification, is that and this is what the majority of people fail to recognize, that the end goal or your ultimate goal is permanent, right? If you become a consistent, profitable trader, you have it for life. Whereas if you want to re-engage in a trade that is a bad trade, you just have the dopamine spike. If you happen to win, and if you happen to lose, you have it as well.
Yep.
Right? So you get addicted to losing trades. So that's what you need to really understand, is like your end goal is a permanent gratification one. So I don't know if you have any other comment.
No.
With that, we're gonna wrap up this video. See you all guys Tuesday morning. We won't be able to trade on Monday, right? But I'll see you all guys next week.
Have a good weekend.
Bye.